I'm back. I'm back. Makita, once again, back in full effect. Hi. Do they still say that? I don't know. Maybe they said it in the hippity hoppity days. Whatever. Makita, back again. And I am going to talk about something, going to beat a dead horse. Going to beat a dead horse a little bit here. As the kids would say, the difference between the old school MAKPAC crap and the new Makita the new Makita MAKPAC versus the no, it's old, it's new, crap. The new Makita MAKTRAK versus the old Makita MAKPAC, which I've called the MAKPAC crap. Probably designed by a woman who hates men and their fingers because holy crap, it's quite an ordeal to snap and unsnappeth. Unsnappeth the crapeth, unsnap the crap. I'm just gonna give you a little basic rundown. And if you're still using this stuff, why?
Why?
I've been able to unsnap a couple. Chickity check it. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Listen up.
That doesn't feel good. If you're out there still using this nonsense, I'll pitch in for you to buy something better because this, I feel bad for you. Ow. Now you can probably file it down. You could do something, I'm sure, to get these freaking stop. To get these things to behave a little bit better. You can file them, I'm sure you can lubricate them, a little bit of lube. A little bit, a little bit. Look at that, it comes off. This plastic feels cheap. Yeah, mine's last years because, as you may know, I'm sure some of you know, I'm not too hard on my tools. They usually sit in my truck. These just sat in the bed of my truck. They carry my things where I need them. I use them. I don't cart these around much. I hate opening them. Ow. Okay. Hey, look at that. I hate them. I'm not being dramatic. You can feel it. It grinds on your soul. Could there be a dumber product? I mean, you know it's from... You know it's from China. It's a terrific product from China. Quite frankly, it's from China. Yeah.
Wow.
I do not stack these things up because I'm on a bed slide underneath the sheeting that has my DeWalt boxes. So I've got a couple stacked. I usually leave these unsnapped. I can get in here, got some larger items in there. No snacks, sadly. And then I just pop open the top. I got some batteries in there. I've got the next to the largest one here, and that's got all my Makita tools that I might use. Over here, I just leave them unlatched. I don't stack it. I got extra tools, I got a hammer. You all see my expose on hammers. You watch that one, it's a year or so ago. Stapler, I got my saws and pliers and wire labelers. This one here, it's small little stubby chubby. This one, I don't even latch any of them because I never really take them out much. I put like junk, I go out on a job and my garbage, I throw it in here. If I could fit the other Makita boxes, I'd throw them in here because that's garbage. But this stuff's amazing. And you know, like I said, you open it up, ooh, oh, it's gonna stay open. See that? Watch, sorry, look at this. Oh, yeah. Okay. This stuff is super fantastico, muy fantastico, I must say. It's just, this is so much better. The design on this thing, look it. Okay. There's no, ow, my fingers, ow. It's so nice, you know? It's just like awesome. you see, with so much ease, it's in and it's out. Night and day from the other system. Night and day. Could you even call it a system? System of punishment? Some sort of a penal system? Ooh, that sounds kind of dirty. Penal system. So, really, folks, if I had a different truck where I could stack them all up and I needed to pull them onto a job site, I could. I know that's what they're intended for. You put them on the big one with wheels, you stack them all together, and you pull them onto a job site. I don't take boxes out with me. Very rarely, once or twice a year might I take some out, in which case I have a roll cart from my DeWalt system. With this stuff here, I'm just happy to keep it just like it is. If I need to take all my batteries in somewhere, I'm gonna do a bunch of battery swapping. Just take it in. It's got a handle. It's wonderful. But for the most part, it just stays right here. And it works perfectly for me. The rule is, I mean, the key is do what works best for you. And these serve their purpose beautifully. They look like the quality is the same as Milwaukee. Just good. You know, it's going to keep water out. You can fit, you know, anything you want in there, really. You could put chicken nuggets in it. You could put fruit roll-ups. You know, I mean, you could put gummy bears. Oh, neighbors.
Oh.
Once again, neighbors are the enemy of the YouTuber. Mr. Ford Raptor bought my house with chump change, kind of super rich, down the street from the guy who's barely making it, struggling, scraping by to bring you a video. But he sits on his millions. He's probably that person that bought 4 houses in the neighborhood to rent out. I don't know. Rich people. But enemies, talking about neighbors are the enemy of the YouTuber. Bottom line, bar none. That is it. Suck on that.
Neighbors.
But listen to me. I know this might be beating a dead horse. By the way, going to Iceland later, going to eat some horse. And puffin. Horse and puffin. I don't know. So listen to me. I know I've talked about these before. And there may be some people out there still using the Makita MAKPAC boxes. But let me tell you, if you can find a way to edge those out, get rid of that stupid finger-crushing, soul-destroying pain, go to anything else. I don't, you know, anything but those stupid boxes. These Makita boxes, if you like blue, you like Makita. You want somebody who's pretending to become from America, but he's from China. No, it's from China. Oh, the terrorists. Oh, China. Oh, quite frankly, from China. Get the Makita. It's wonderful. Every hardware store on every block has got Milwaukee. So if it's oversaturated and it's like, go with the flow, get Milwaukee, fine, get Milwaukee. DeWalt, those Chinese, German, Deutschland, German, Chinese from Deutschland, DeWalt stuff I really enjoy. I like the yellow and the black. It kind of matches some of our company colors, and I kind of like keeping things all the same as far as that goes. But I really, really wanted to, a thought struck me to make this video talking about if anybody is still using the Makita MAKPAC boxes, if you haven't switched yet, what's keeping you from changing? You know, I would brown paper bag my tools as opposed to using those stupid things. Oh, a neighbor's firing up the car. Ugh. Quite frankly, my neighbors, oh. Neighbors here are crazy. They're running the cars all the time. Neighbors, oh no. Yeah, go ahead, drive away, neighbor. If you're still using Makita MAKPAC boxes, get rid of them. Get anything but that. Your fingers will thank you. I mean, they're not waterproof. They kill your hands. They're terrible. I'm sure they're from China. Get the pretend American ones. Get anything else. That's my 2 cents. If you're using MAKPAC, get rid of it immediately. Go with MAKTRAK. Or go with Milwaukee. or DeWalt. But I beg you, please, if you do nothing else with your professional life, get rid of those boxes. I implore you. And I'm going to be coming out with more tool videos once I get money to buy tools, or if not, I'll just keep talking about things I own. So you can suck on it. I don't care. Makita out.
Bye.
I had a black widow living in there. Where'd it go? There's a guy I see around town with a black widow on his truck. It's the female. Are you female? You're a dude. Find another mascot, not a female spider. Put the male on there, but then nobody would know what it was. And usually the males are the colorful ones. Like if you look at mallards, the male is the beautiful one, not the female. Other way around, the black widow is the female. Well, it is the widow. It's not the black widower. Whoa, that's bright. Anyway. I gotta go. See ya. Bye.